Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about survey platforms online, branded surveys. If you've ever searched for ways to make money online, you've probably come across this site. But is it actually worth your time? How do you sign up? How do you cash out? And is it really as legit as people say? Stick around because I'm breaking down everything you need to know. Branded Surveys is one of the most beginner-friendly platforms that lets you earn real cash by completing surveys and simple tasks. And the best part is, it's available in the US, UK, and Canada, which means it actually pays higher compared to global apps. They've been around for years and they pay consistently, which is why so many people trust them. Signing up is super easy. You just go to the Branded Surveys website, enter your email, create a password, and fill out a profile questionnaire. This part is important. Your profile determines what surveys you qualify for, so answer honestly and complete as many details as possible. Things like your age, job, household info, and interests help the system match you to higher-paying surveys. And right after signing up, you unlock your first set of paid surveys instantly. Once you're inside, you'll notice the platform uses a point system. 100 points equals $1. Most surveys pay between 50 to 300 points, depending on the length and topic. One thing I love about branded surveys is the volume. There are surveys available almost all day, and you rarely run out. And even if you get disqualified from a survey, they give you a few points just for trying. It might seem small, but over time it adds up. The site also has a branded elite program. The more surveys you complete consistently, the more bonuses you earn. It has 3 levels: bronze, silver, and gold. Once you reach gold, you start earning extra points on almost every survey you complete. This boosts your income without doing any extra work. It's one of the things that makes branded surveys unique. They actually reward active users instead of treating everyone the same. Another earning method is daily polls, challenges, and special bonus streaks. For example, if you complete a certain number of surveys in a week, you get additional points on top of your earnings. These bonuses can push your weekly payout higher than other survey platforms where you only rely on individual survey pay. Cashing out is simple and fast. Once you reach 500 points, which is just $5, you can redeem your money through PayPal, direct bank transfer, or tons of gift cards like Amazon, Walmart, and Visa. PayPal is the quickest and most popular option. Most users get their money within the same day or within 24 hours, and the best part? There is no complicated verification process like other apps. Once you've cashed out once, the future payouts are smooth. Now let's look at the real pros and cons based on actual user experience. The pros. It's easy to sign up. There are lots of surveys every day. The payout threshold is low. Earnings are straightforward, and cash outs are very fast and reliable. It's honestly one of the best survey sites for beginners. On top of that, the branded elite bonuses help you earn more without working harder. But of course, no platform is perfect. The cons. Some surveys can disqualify you after a few minutes, which can be annoying. Earnings depend heavily on your location. The US gets the most surveys. Some surveys take longer than expected for the points offered. And like any survey site, you're not going to get rich. This is more for side money, not a full-time income. Overall, Branded Surveys is legit, reliable, and one of the most consistent survey platforms I've ever used. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly way to make extra money daily, this site is a strong option. Whether you want PayPal cash, gift cards, or just some quick side income, Branded Surveys delivers exactly what it promises. If this video helped you, smash that like button and hit subscribe because I drop daily videos about earning money online, legit survey sites, and real opportunities to start making income from home or anywhere in the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.